Yeah, I think live. Check out. If anyone is watching, please let me know if I'm audible. If anyone is watching, please let me know if I'm audible. If anyone is watching. Noise is there, noise. Noise. Is it for everyone, guys? Is my voice clear? Guys, is my voice clear and crystal, or noise is there? If there is noise, please confirm. Please confirm if my voice is clear and crystal. Very good evening, Saurabh. Saurabh Yadav, check the Hindi channel now. I have uploaded 2 videos in last 2 days. I had uploaded 1 video yesterday and 1 video today, and I will try to upload 5 videos every week on the Hindi channel. Saurabh Yadav. Good evening. It's not clear. Network Jila is saying my voice is not clear, and Lovely Bakshi is saying yes, it's clear. Kiran is also saying yes sir, it's clear. So hope my voice is clear. Did you ever have a training on NX VLAN or VXLAN? NX VLAN? Can you tell me the full name? NX VLAN? Saurabh Yadav, thank you. Most welcome, sir. Kiran, hi, sir. Please give one series on monitoring tool. Network monitoring tool, definitely. Let me note it. One session for network monitoring tool like Service Jira and other networking tools. VXLAN, yes. We have ACI training, brother. Cisco ACI is there where we are covering VXLAN, EVPN, right? Lips monitoring tool. It's from Kerala, lovely. Biju, thank you so much, and you are the member of PM Networking YouTube channel. So thank you so much for joining, for becoming a family member of PM Networking. Biju, thank you so much for becoming a member. Sir, when you are providing data center, we are already providing data center training. Videos on data center is not available on YouTube. Some videos are available, the full course is not available. And guys, even we cannot upload everything on the YouTube. As many of you had requested for Fortigate firewall series, so I have created the playlist finally, right? You can check on the channel. The new playlist is created. Name is Fortigate firewall, and the first video, the day 1 video of Fortigate firewall is coming today 8 p.m. The first video is coming today 8 p.m. in the Fortigate firewall series. And this playlist is user demand playlist. I have created this playlist based on your request. So please share your feedback after watching the day 1 video. If you are not going to share your feedback, it will be difficult for me to continue the playlist. And I will make video for other classes based on your feedback only. So must watch day 1 video of Fortigate firewall at 8 p.m. today on PM Networking YouTube channel. You can check, playlist is already created, and at 8 p.m. video will be live, right? So you can watch and you can share your feedback. Sir, we need AI and machine learning used cases for network. We are using AI and machine learning in the network monitoring tools, in the logs, to collect the logs, to detect the logs, to detect the issues. For an example, you are sleeping and there is some alarm in your network, right? So here AI can detect it and even it can fix it. You don't need to wake up. Gaurav, thanks for Fortigate firewall. Most welcome, Gaurav. Lovely Bhakti, share your number, please. We'll discuss later about the course. Just I am putting my WhatsApp number here. But guys, 38 people are watching, but only 3 likes are there. This is not fair. Please hit on like button once. Please like the video once. Sir, please make video on SIP trunk technology as already asked for that. No, you have never asked for that. Saurabh Yadav, I think you are asking for this for first time. Just I have taken the screenshot and definitely I will make one video. Sir, what is the AI course you suggest? AI course for network engineer? For network engineer, there is no any AI course. Just you need to learn the AI tools like in the SD-WAN, SD-Access, ACI, in all the SDN based solution, AI is already there. Right, in the SD-WAN you are going to learn the AI. Till now there is no any AI course that I can suggest you. Ayush Mishra, done. Please make one playlist for SolarWind monitoring tool. Playlist is not required. I can make 3 to 4 videos. Okay, we can keep those all video in a separate playlist. So okay, let me take a screenshot of this as well. SolarWind, one guy was asking about the VXLAN and about the SIP trunk. Okay, start Nexus data center also. We are starting the data center new batch from 15th of next month. From 15th of August, we are starting a new batch of data center where we will cover the VXLAN, ACI technology, the complete ACI technology. You will also have the 24/7 lab access. Sir, how to connect VLAN trunking? Sir, how to connect VLAN trunking? Sunil Yadav, your question is not clear. The question is incorrect. How to connect VLAN trunking? Will AI kill our job? No, AI will not kill your job if you are going to learn the AI. Right? Other network engineers can kill your job who have good knowledge of AI. So if you are not going to learn AI, then definitely other network engineers only will kill your job, not AI. Said hi, sir, want learning AI, artificial intelligence. Now many people are requesting for AI. Let's have one playlist on AI after Fortigate firewall. Right? Guys, Fortigate firewall will take around 1 month. Right? Within 1 month, I will complete this playlist. I will upload 30 to 35 videos there to cover all the topics, including NAT, basic, VPNs, right? The policies, URL filtering, app ID, and those all things, John-based firewall. I can cover everything in just 1 month, and after that, definitely 110% I will create one playlist for AI. Earlier, I was planning to have one playlist on for the Cisco ICE, but many people are requesting for the AI, and many of you already know that I create video based on your feedback, based on your comments always, right? Whatever people are requesting, I am making videos on that topic only. So nowadays, many times I have seen people are requesting for AI video, and I have already created few videos on AI, artificial intelligence, but we have not discussed the topic, right? Just I have given you the overview that what you need to learn in AI, that is the syllabus part. But now I will create one playlist to teach you the artificial intelligence, and I will also share my real-time experience on the AI with SD-WAN, SD-Access, and all SDN based solution. CCNP batch. CCNP batch is also starting from 15th of next month, 15th of August. Sir, share your WhatsApp number for any query. Just I am putting my WhatsApp number here, brother. Just give me 1 minute. How can we join any live course? To join live course, see, if you will check description of any video, or even if you will check the about section of PM Networking YouTube channel, you will find the WhatsApp number of my team, my WhatsApp number. Even if you want to connect with me personally, you can request to the team member if you have something genuinely technical query, then they will help you to find my personal number and you can talk to me over call. We can talk over call, but only if you have the technical question. Make sure you will not call me to ask about the course, when batch is starting, about the fees, about the duration. No, for that team is there separate team who will help you, who will guide you to enroll and to find the best course for your needs. If you have any technical question, then you can connect with me and we can discuss. For the live classes, yes, what I told you, WhatsApp number you will find in the about section of my channel, or you can find the description of any YouTube video. You can talk to the team member, and there is one website, pmnetworking.in. My website is pmnetworking.in, which this is the domain name. On the pmnetworking.in, you will find there are two types of courses. There are two sections, recording section and live section. Recording section, live section. If you need recording course, you can check the recording courses, and I will not recommend you to go with recording if you have time to join the live classes. If you can join the live classes, in case if it is not possible to join live classes, if you don't have time, definitely you can go with recording. On the YouTube, you will not find the course. On the YouTube, you will always find playlist. Even for the Palo Alto firewall also, on YouTube channel, there is only one course, MPLS, right? For the MPLS, I have uploaded all the videos on YouTube. But for rest, all the technologies, there is playlist on YouTube. That is not course. For course, you have to visit pmnetworking.in. For recording, you have to go into recording section. For the live classes, you have to go with live training, right? So you will find two sections, two types of courses. If you are going to click on recording, you will find all the recording course. If you are going to click on live, you will find all upcoming live batches. You can check when the new batch is starting, who is the trainer, and after that you can register yourself. Once you will register yourself, you will be receiving one call from our side. My team will call you, and team will share the detail with you, like if you are enrolling for the SD-WAN, at the same time you will get lab access, that where you can discover the real world labs deployment, right? At the same time you will be receiving the study materials, and you will be the part of one closed WhatsApp group, right? And I will be also there, so we can directly communicate there. In that WhatsApp group only, I will share link to join the live classes, and we'll start meeting live. For an example, if you are enrolling for CCNA plus CCNP, so there is no lab access, right? You have to set up your own lab in CCNA, CCNP. What we will provide you in CCNA, CCNP live training, live classes, recording of all the live classes, complete study material, interview, question and answer. Apart from these all, last thing is real-time scenario based configuration and troubleshooting. Some real-time scenarios, like my personal experience in the networking industry, right? From my existing experience, I have created the scenario-based PDF. You will have access to that. The second thing, if you are enrolling for SD-WAN, and many of you already know that I am starting my new and fresh batch of Cisco SD-WAN from the upcoming Saturday. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. If someone is looking to master the SD-WAN technology, this is a golden opportunity for you. Don't lose this chance. Because hardly in 3 to 4 months, we are starting a fresh batch, new batch for the SD-WAN. And upcoming Saturday, I am starting the new fresh batch. From the scratch, we are going to learn the SD-WAN technology, Cisco SD-WAN. And many of you already know that more than 75% enterprises in the world are using SD-WAN, right? Companies are looking for SD-WAN engineers. Why companies are hiring SD-WAN engineers? Because guys, today's business needs fast, reliable, secure, smarter and cheaper network. And SD-WAN makes it possible with the help of their centralized policies. So what you are going to learn in SD-WAN? You are going to learn the deployment, right? VPN 0, VPN 512, management VPN, service VPN, template-based configuration, policies, QS, security policy like firewall features, If you have the knowledge of these all topics, company will love to hire. Future of WAN is SD-WAN only. SD-WAN is nothing but the future of WAN, wide area network. Right? So if you have stuck in routing and switching, or you are working at same position for years, right? This is the right time to update yourself. If you are going to learn SD-WAN today, even it will help you a lot to learn the other modern technologies. At the same time, it will help you to get job in core networking company. You can find job in top MNC company. Even you can find work from home remote job. Because the SD-WAN engineers are limited, very limited, who have good knowledge on the SD-WAN policies, right? Company need what? Company need cloud-based WAN, cloud connected WAN solution. Company need application-aware policies. And SD-WAN teach you these all things. SD-WAN means learning the modern technologies which we are using in today's time. And the golden opportunity is I am starting my new and fresh batch from the upcoming Saturday. This is live class. We will meet live for 2 hours. Saturday and Sunday means 4 hours every week for next 2 to 3 months. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. IST. Check if this schedule is perfect for you. If you can join the live classes at this time, then don't lose this chance. Just update your skill, learn it. Definitely it will help you a lot to grow your professional life. In today's time, every time in the enterprise, we are talking about SD-WAN, SD-WAN and SD-WAN. Right? After that, you can learn the ACI and the SD access. ACI is dedicated to data center. SD access is dedicated for LAN devices, but SD-WAN is for dedicated to WAN. And you will find the WAN network everywhere, whether it is data center network, service provider network, enterprise network, a small network, large network, medium network. Everywhere you will find the WAN, wide area network. SD-WAN is used to manage the WAN edge devices from one centralized location through centralized policy. And engineers are very limited. Companies are suffering to find the skillful engineers to manage their SD-WAN infrastructure. If you are the network engineer, it's your responsibility to update yourself and learn this technology today. Sir, if not possible, join the live class due to the rotational shift. Yes, so same thing I was saying, that if it is not possible to join the live classes, then definitely you should go through recording. Watch some videos on YouTube as well. But again, I am telling you, on YouTube you will find the playlist, not the course. There is huge difference between playlist and course. YouTube is good, best to practice, to revise, to learn, but not to learn the complete technology, to learn the particular topic. Like if someone want to learn the Palo Alto firewall configuration, they can go through my Palo Alto playlist. But if someone want to pass the Palo Alto exam, want to clear the exam, they need course, maybe live course or recording course. How much is it? Let me put my number first here. Number is 8511826341. And in the beginning, I can add the country code plus 91. Guys, only 14 likes are there and 40 people are watching me. Please like the video once. Please hit on like button. So I have noted your request for the AI. Definitely in future, I will create one playlist for AI. SD-WAN batch is going to be every Saturday. Or what? Yes, every Saturday and Sunday. Every Saturday and Sunday, 4 hours per week for next 2 to 3 months. First, we will see the technology, the theory, why we need SD-WAN, why 70% companies are using SD-WAN technologies. After that, we'll see the onboarding process, how we are installing the devices, how we'll onboard the devices, WAN devices and controllers. SD-WAN is what? SD-WAN is software-based solution, controller-based network. The network which can be managed, configure and troubleshoot with the help of software is known as software-defined network. Hi sir, all videos are available in only 89 Rs for per month. All the members only videos will be available at 89 on YouTube. Right? Means whatever videos are available on my YouTube channel, you will have access of those all videos at just 89 rupees. This is just to filter the serious people. Right? Why price is only 89? Is it mean that those video quality is poor? No. The quality of those videos are far better than the public video. But why then those videos are not available for everyone? Only one reason, guys. Many times I told you, there is no other reason for that. Why there is member only videos. Earlier, few people or some other institutes were selling my courses on their website. If video is available publicly, anyone can download it from the YouTube, and they were selling the course. So this is the reason why I have filtered it. Now you can ask Praful, what it means? Now also others can take the membership and after that they can download. Brother, even if you are going to pay 1 rupees, that means you are serious, right? People will not pay 89 rupees just to download the video, just to sell the other course, right? Even they will never get to know about the actual content inside the members only videos. This is the one reason, only one reason why all videos are not available publicly. Otherwise, only I think 800 members are there. I can make it public as well for everyone. Price is even only 89 rupees. Just to filter the serious one. The all 800 people who have purchased the membership are member. Even whenever they are going to ask any question, there will be one logo on their profile. We can prioritize his comments, because we know one thing, that if you are the member, that means you are the serious. That means you are here at PM Networking just only for learning, to learn it. You are the student, you are the family member. If it is required, many times we personally connect through meeting to our members to solve their query. We love to solve query. We love to help network engineer. We love to help people achieve what we have achieved in our life. Even in here you can see, sometimes whenever I am coming live, I prefer the comments from the members. Why? Many times you have seen, sometimes people are saying, hey, improve your English, then come live. What it mean? It means that is, those are not here at PM Networking for learning. Those can be my competitor. Those can be only for fun. Few can be here just to watch me. Few can be here to watch my here. Might be possible. But if any member is going to ask any question in the comment section, that means, it mean what? It means he had paid 89 rupees. That means he is the genuine network engineer or planning to become a network engineer. His dot is genuine. So we love to hear our answer. Sandeep, sir, what is network engineer role for migration of all VMS from on-premises to Azure cloud? Please suggest. Sir, this is great topic and I will do one video on it. See, here even answer is not in words or not in sentence. Here I have to explain you properly. And Sandeep, you are again the member of this channel. I am going to take your screenshot here and I will share one video on it as soon as possible. Can you suggest me, can I do SD-WAN course? I have knowledge of CCNA only. No, sir. If you have knowledge of CCNA only, don't go for SD-WAN. See, I am not teaching for money, guys. If you are the CCNA, and even if you are ready to pay, even if you have enrolled for the SD-WAN course, after that also many times I have refunded the money if people are not able to understand the technology. And trust me, you cannot understand the technology until and unless your routing, switching and the basic networking knowledge is not strong. SD-WAN is the modern technology. Here I am not going to teach you the VPN. What is VPN? Directly I am going to show you, see how IPsec VPN works in SD-WAN. So make sure you know the VPN. Then only you are enrolling in the SD-WAN. Brother, if you know the CCNA, just go for ccnp first, and after that you can go for SD-WAN. Again, after 3 to 4 months, I will start new batch. You can join there in that batch. This is not for you now. Okay, after CCNA, you should not go for SD-WAN. Even not only here at PM Networking, not anywhere. Others can ask you to enroll, but in the class you will not understand the technology. And I know almost all trainers who is teaching SD-WAN, and no one is going to teach you what is VPN or what is IPsec in the SD-WAN. And this is a major topic. You will see between two branches, automatically my WAN devices will establish IPsec session automatically. We will not configure anything, just we are going to define the encapsulation protocol, either GRE or IPsec. If my encapsulation protocol is IPsec, automatically two WAN edge devices will establish the IPsec. Everything is happening behind the scene. You should be familiar with the IPsec, like how IPsec works between two traditional router. Then you can understand how IPsec is working in SD-WAN also. So better to go for CCNA and CCNP first. If you already have CCNA, then go for CCNP, and after that you can enroll in SD-WAN. Bro, मेरे को CCNP करना है, तो CCNP का बेस्ट तो मैंने बताया ही आपको कि 15 अगस्त से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, उसमें आप एनरोल करवा लीजिए. CCNP batch is starting from 15th of this month. SD-WAN batch is starting from upcoming Saturday, from 2nd of August. Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. My brother, how are you? I am good, brother. Let me know how can I fix running vManage, which keep asking me that select the 3 GB app label and not move forward from that label in EVNG. Setting up EVNG lab is a separate engineering, brother. The SD-WAN lab in the EVNG is engineering. You have to do the research. It's not easy. So ask to your institute from where you have purchased the course to provide the lab access. They will give you the lab access, practice there, learn it. And after the learning, you can find job very easily as a SD-WAN engineer, as a WAN architect, as a WAN engineer, very easily. If you have the excellent knowledge of SD-WAN, you can get job very easily. So after the course, you will be working on real devices in the production, right? So then you don't need lab, just you need lab to learn and master it. And while learning, your training provider will give you the lab access, right? Don't try to set up it in your laptop. It will be difficult, right? Ask to your training provider to provide me the lab access and configure the things there. CCI data center, yes, I told you the same. The data center course is the CCI data center only, CCNP to CCI data center, which is again starting from 15th of August. On 15th of August, we are starting 3 batches, CCNP, CCI data center, CCNP to CCI data center, and CCNA plus CCNP combo. These 3 courses are starting on 15th of August. Next Saturday, I am starting the SD-WAN course. SD-WAN on which technology, like Viptela or Fortigate? Cisco SD-WAN, sir, Cisco SD-WAN, where we'll cover both Catalyst SD-WAN and Viptela SD-WAN. Nowadays companies are using Catalyst, but if you are planning to pass the exam, right, you want to get SD-WAN certificate, you have to learn both Viptela as well as Catalyst. And in my SD-WAN course, I am teaching both Catalyst and Viptela. By the way, 90% things are same, only 10% topics or the dashboard commands, the configuration is different. Guys, if you have not liked the video till now, please hit on like button once and let me check your comment. Explain the difference between TCP and UDP. Sunil Yadav, thank you for asking the question, but brother, TCP is unreliable protocol, UDP is a reliable protocol. TCP is slow protocol, UDP is fast protocol. TCP establish TCP connection, the logical connection, control connection, and UDP forward traffic directly, that there will be no any logical connection. TCP perform three-way handshake, TCP perform four-way handshake, three-way handshake to build the connection, TCP connection, and four-way handshake to terminate the connection, right? There is acknowledgement in TCP, there is no acknowledgement in UDP. So you can say UDP is unreliable, TCP is reliable, right? And there are so many other differences. Here you can watch the video. Thank you, sir. We'll do accordingly. Great, Prasad. Fee of SD-WAN course. Fee of SD-WAN course is 20,000, 15,000 for the training and 5,000 for the lab. You will have lab access for 3 months, and within the 3 months you have to complete your lab. Within 3 months you have to complete your lab. Just give me 1 minute, guys. For ccnp and SD-WAN. So I have given you my WhatsApp number. You can reach here. Let me write again. +918511826341. This is my WhatsApp number. Would you mind to share your favorite site which help deep learning? It depends on the technology, brother. You are learning which technology, right? Like Cisco is the leader for networking devices like your router, switches. Similarly, for the firewall, other companies are leader. Palo Alto is the leader, Fortigate is the leader, Fortinet is the leader, and Checkpoint is the leader. Similarly, for learning also, there are many platforms for different technology. If you are going to give me the name of technology, I can help you to find the best platform to practice and learn. Why SD-WAN is so popular? What we will learn? Automation also. Yeah, in the SD-WAN you will also learn the automation. You will learn the modern way to manage the routers, right? Which router? A smart router. In the SD-WAN we are going to deploy and configure and manage the smart router. A smart routers means your VSS and CSS, VS and CS, Viptela device or Cisco device. what is your opinion on that AI is going to take down networking field? No, brother, network engineer need to learn AI, and AI is getting integrated in the network with monitoring tools. In the SD-WAN, what I told you, you are going to learn the modern protocols, the automation. Automation is the core topic of SD-WAN, Cisco SD-WAN. You must have heard about netcon protocol, restcon protocol. So we'll use these protocol to configure our device rather than telnet or the console. Nowadays in the production as well, why SD-WAN is becoming so popular and why enterprises are moving towards SD-WAN? Their management, the way of management, how it is, the way of configuration. Let's suppose in your network there are 1000 sites and you need to change SNMP IP address, or you need to configure one simple policy, the new policy. How much time it will take? First of all, a team is required to configure the policy on 1000 routers, and after that it is going to be time consuming. There is chance of human error. In the SD-WAN allow you to configure the policy on all 1000 devices simultaneously just through single click. This is why it is becoming so popular and why enterprises are moving to the SD-WAN. Let's take an example of company, Zomato, Tesla, Google. This company has thousands of data centers across the globe. Thousands of data centers across the globe, and their workforce is distributed. Some applications are hosted everywhere. Few services are running in data center, few services are running on cloud. Their users are distributed. Some users are working from office, some are working from the home, some are working from cafe, someone is working from the airport. While traveling as well, we are working. At this time when I am live here, you can see I am working for my company as well. Here is my laptop in front of me. So I am doing the job in corporate. I am as well. I am talking to you and still checking the network. So at this moment of time in 2025, company businesses need fast, secure, reliable, smarter, and the most important, cheaper network. SD-WAN is cheaper than MPLS cloud. That's why SD-WAN is becoming popular. Sir, I wanna be CCNA course, but now I am BA third year. So can I do course or not? Please reply me. Brother, definitely it's a great opportunity for you if you are going to learn the CCNA today. Right? During your graduation, you can learn CCNA. At the end, when you will finish the graduation, you will have something significant in your hand. And if you have the excellent knowledge of CCNA, because you have time, now you can master it. You can be in top 1% in CCNA. Guys, everything is practical in CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN, automation, AI, SD access, ACI, cloud. These all are practical. You can be in top 1% if you have time. You don't need to imagine something. Everything is practical, which is already running in the production. You need to learn, test. Learn and then test it. If you have time, you can master it. You can be in top 1%. And when you are in top 1%, you are the demanding engineer. Right? So I have regret why I had not started learning CCNA in my 12th. If someone is going to start learning CCNA side by side in 12, after the graduation, they will have the strong foundation in networking. They will have offer from top MNCs like Cisco, Juniper, Google, Amazon. You can easily find job in these companies. Just few years back, after completion of my graduation, I was struggling in the industry, struggling very hard. I was working in the telecom industry. Many times I have shared that story, one incident in my telecom career. But when I learned CCNA and CCNP properly, trust me guys, it had changed my life. CCNA and CCNP, proper knowledge of CCNA and CCNP only changed my life. Today I am trainer, network trainer, coach, sometimes providing corporate training, working for company, corporate, work. I have lifetime work from home. At the same time, I am YouTuber, over 80,000 plus subscribers. I'm taking live classes. In every live class, you will find more than 15 students. Sometimes we are limiting the students because this is live class. Seats are limited. We will not allow more than 20 students. Hardly 20 students can be there in one batch. Otherwise, people cannot ask. We cannot interact with each other. Here I am interested to teach people what I have learned and the same thing which is helping me to grow my professional life. So learning NA and P first helped me to get job in top company, in the core networking company. That only helped me to left the job of telecom and to get job in the core networking company in the MNC. After that, it helped me to learn these all modern technologies, SD-WAN, SDXS, ACI, automation, AI, and many more. I have 15 plus IT global certificates, 15 plus. And trust me, my CCNA and CCNP knowledge helped me to achieve this all, and still it is helping me. If I am going to learn any new technology today, all the technologies are based on the CCNA and CCNP only. CCNA, CCNP is your foundation base. You should master it. You have to understand each and every words of CCNA plus CCNP syllabus. Then getting job in the production in top MNCs will be very easy for you. Even if you have the skill, guys, if you are the talented, company will find you. You don't need to share your resume to anyone. Company will find you. There are so many companies who wanted me to hire. How they get to know about my knowledge that, hey, I am expert in the SD-WAN, I can manage his SD-WAN infrastructure very easily, in better way, I can implement the good policies. How they know? They know through social media. I have not shared resume to that company. So if you have the knowledge, company will find you, company will search you, they will give you the offer, right? You are only responsible to take your skill, networking skill, to the next level. Always keep one thing in mind. If we are going to spend 20 to 30 years in this industry, then why we will not learn it first? I know many people are working in the industry, in the even core networking company, without having good knowledge of NANP. Guys, it will stop your growth. If you are working without knowledge, you cannot grow your professional career exponentially. At the initial time, you will not see any difference. But after 10 years, after 5 years, you will see the huge difference between start working and the people who have directly started working. Sometimes we can get job without having certificate and even knowledge, right? Your senior can refer you, right? Maybe your big brother is working somewhere, they can refer you. Or maybe you have started your career as a technician, as a data center technician, and now you have entered in the NOC team. So maybe possible that now you are enjoying your job, but after a few years, it will be difficult to survive in the industry, right? This is technology. Every time technology will be updating, right? 10 years ago, MPLS was the popular WAN technology. Today, SD-WAN is the popular WAN technology. After 10 years, maybe I will have another technologies. So if you are in this industry, you have to keep updating yourself. How you can keep updating yourself until unless you don't have the great foundation? Not possible, right? So yes, brother, if you are in the BA third year, you can learn the NA, and if you have time, then learn NA and NP both. Someone is saying, sir, how to build two different ISP connection in single network, and when one ISP down, then automatic switch to second network? No, brother, your question is not clear. And see how many times you have shared the same question in the comment section. Do you think I will reply? Rizwan, no. Ask the question properly first. So guys, why I am live here? Just to share these two things. First, as many of you had requested to create a playlist for Fortigate firewall, so finally I have created the playlist, and the first video is coming today 8 p.m. and the second announcement is my new and fresh SD-WAN batch is starting this Saturday. What? 1 minute. लाओ जल्दी लाओ. हाँ ठीक है चलेगा. Thank you so much, brother. What about Arista networking? Means Arista is also a company who is manufacturing the hardware, software like Cisco. Zscaler, sir, I have completed my ccna and Fortigate firewall course. Can I do the SD-WAN and Zscaler course? Yes, brother, you can do the SD-WAN and Zscaler course. Sir, make video regarding interview preparation and give some tips. There are so many videos available on the channel to clear the interview, and definitely I will make more. Sir, your all troubleshooting videos are super. Do we have playlist for Zscaler and F5 LTM? We don't have any playlist for Zscaler. There is one playlist for F5, but again in the F5 load balancer series playlist, only few videos are there. In future I will complete that playlist. Sir, what is the minimum RAM? 8 GB RAM is required for EVNG routing switching lab, not for SD-WAN. Routing switching lab, 8 GB RAM is required. Hi sir, I have downloaded the Fortigate firewall image but unable to rename the file. Please help. Lakshminder Singh. Brother, I have given you the WhatsApp number in the chat. I've given you the WhatsApp number in chat. You can reach to this WhatsApp. Will help you. Right? Just say I am the member of PM Networking YouTube channel and I need little guidance in this. Will help you. Sir, I have completed my ccna and Fortigate firewall. Same question. Sir, I have completed my ccna. See the light, why? I don't know why he is putting same thing again and again. So guys, what is SD-WAN? Can anyone tell me what is SD-WAN? Then for SD-WAN, how many RAM required? No, you cannot do the SD-WAN lab in your laptop. You need a server, or you can set up it over cloud. Cloud will be costly. Better to purchase a server. It will cost you around 3 to 4 lakhs only. Hello sir, I am a cybersecurity. Am I a student in first year of BSc cybersecurity? I have to learn networking. Yes, you have to learn networking to become a cybersecurity engineer. SD-WAN is a load balancer. No brother, SD-WAN is a WAN technology, not the load balancer. It also support the load balancing technology. Like you can There is one topic in SD-WAN called service insertion, through which you can advertise your load balancer in SD-WAN. How to set up 2 ISP connection? Sir, DNS uses port number 53, TCP, UDP, it will use, no, DNS uses port number UDP. It uses TCP also, but when two DNS servers are going to communicate with each other, that communication will be TCP based. But whenever user is generating a DNS query message to resolve the domain name, it will be UDP based always. From where I can start, you should start from the CCNA. If you are the fresher, if you are planning to become a network engineer, just start from the CCNA, then run CCNP. CCNA and NP is the mandatory for every network engineer. You cannot skip it. And after CCNA NP, you can go with the modern technologies, the advanced technologies. Guys, again, I am requesting you, if you have not liked the video till now, please hit on like button once. Sir, complete F5 load balancer playlist. Sure, brother, noted. And Sarmaji, you are the member. Just take a screenshot of this F5 load balancer. We'll create, just give some time, 2 months. After 2 months, I will make video for F5 load balancer, because for next 2 months, I already have the list of videos, right? The Fortigate firewall series, and then I will create one playlist for AI, then Cisco eyes, and after that only I can continue any other playlist. Now these 3 playlists are on top priority, and I also have only 2 hours for YouTube, right? I cannot give more than 2 hours to my YouTube channel. My schedule is also fixed, 2 hours for YouTube channel, 4 hours for live classes in weekend, and 2 hours in the weekdays for live classes, rest time, personal work and office work. How to set up 2 ISP? Again, he is asking same question. Guys, can anyone tell me what is SD-WAN? What is SD-WAN? Sir, can we do VPN, firewall, Palo Alto in Pocket Tracer? Not Pocket Tracer, it's Packet Tracer, brother. In the Packet Tracer, you can configure the VPN, you can also configure the firewall. Yes. Who is the best SD-WAN and Zscaler? Who is the best SD-WAN and Zscaler? I think he is putting unnecessary comments. See, the same thing I am talking, right? Why the membership is required and why all the videos are not available publicly. Sir, you are working from home only, no need to go office. No, brother, I am working from home. I have lifetime work from home. Can anyone write here what is SD-WAN? Let's have some Q&A. SD-WAN is a software-defined wide area technology which works on overlay technology. Great, Sandeep. SD-WAN is a overlay technology. Overlay means the virtual network which runs on top of the physical network, and it is software-defined. Means we can manage it through software. And where we'll install software, either we can install software on our server as a VM or on the cloud. Software defined wide area network, very good. SD-WAN uses software to manage and optimize connection. Great. Great. And why companies are hiring SD-WAN engineer? Sir, what is overlay and underlay, control plane and data plane? Underlay is your physical network. Overlay is the virtual network which is running on top of the physical network. Control plane is the traffic which is used to, or you can say control plane is the traffic generated by a device for another device, right? For making the decision where to forward the traffic, we need control plane traffic. Data plane is the actual user data, right? When you are generating a HTTP data for Google server, that is data plane. But when your networking device will receive your data, how it will get to know where to forward it, right? For that, they need control plane information like the routes. SD-WAN is a software-defined approach to managing the WAN. Very good, because they need us to show up in the building. SD-WAN is a virtual architecture that enable organization to use different combination of transport service that can connect user to the application. SD-WAN is modern technology which bypass existing MPLS technology because of secure and reliable connectivity. Great. Guys, it's 2025. Here enterprises are moving to SDN based solution, whether it is SD-WAN, SD-Access or ACI or the segment routing. Segment routing is also SDN based solution for service provider network. For which kind of network? For all kind of network we have SDN based solution. Like for the data center we have ACI. For the LAN network we have SD-Access. For the WAN network we have SD-WAN. For the service provider network we have segment routing. Sir, learn too much from your videos. Thank you so much, Piyush Sharma, for sharing your feedback and becoming member of PM Networking. Hope you are enjoying the premium videos. Hello sir, I have 12 years experience. I need your support to understand and get career path. Brother, start from the ccna if you have not learned NA&P first. Once you have the strong knowledge of ccna and P, then you can ask for the career guidance, because many time in many video, in many live session, many shorts video, I told you that CCNA and CCNP is mandatory for every network engineer. Blindly you should master it. Right? After that, think about the career path. Sir, I am a BA from career in the networking industry, opportunity in the networking for someone with my educational background. There is huge opportunity in the networking industry. See, in the IT there are two fields, software and infrastructure. Networking means network engineer are responsible to manage the infrastructure of company, right? And in the networking, in any networking course, what you are learning? Infrastructure only, right? You are not going to develop any application. I have completed CCNA and P. Now I need more knowledge. Now after NA and P, go with SD-WAN and firewall. Choose any one next generation firewall. When I'm saying next generation firewall, you can choose either Palo Alto firewall, or you can choose Fortigate firewall or Checkpoint firewall. Choose any one firewall from these three: SD-WAN and firewall. Because there is less skillful engineer available in market, that's why SD-WAN engineers are in demanding. Yes, the SD-WAN engineers are limited. Okay, working now, Palo Alto. Great. Hi sir, I am working as a NOC engineer from past 4 years. I got stuck in choosing the path whether to learn SD-WAN on firewall. If do one thing first, download NA&P syllabus, CCNA syllabus, then CCNP in core syllabus and CCNP and RC syllabus, and check, sit with a pen and mark all the topic which is clear to you, like this, clear, and check if 90% topics or more than 90% topics are clear to you, go with SD-WAN. If less than 90% topics are clear to you, just revise the CCNA and P. See guys, why I am saying this? Because if you don't know the CCNA and P, if you don't have the strong knowledge of NA and P, it will be very difficult to learn SD-WAN. And if you have the excellent level of knowledge in NA and P, it will be very easy for you to learn SD-WAN. Even you can learn SD-WAN by yourself as well. Issue is the lab setup, right? Little guidance you need. Otherwise, you can learn it by yourself. If you have the excellent level of knowledge in NA and P, don't need training. You can download the book, you can watch some videos, right? Need someone who can guide you to set up the lab or can provide you the lab. Do it. You can do it by yourself. Even everything is available on YouTube. What is the issue? On the YouTube, things are not organized. This is why people prefer to buy the paid course, live course In the live course, they are going to connect with trainer. They are going to talk. Things are organized. We are going to cover topic based on syllabus. At the same time, their trainer is there to help them to practice, to move further when someone is going to be stuck in the lab, right? That's why live classes and paid courses beneficial. Otherwise, everything is available on YouTube. But if you don't have the excellent level of knowledge in NANP, even through live class, it will be difficult for you to understand. I will give my 200% to deliver the best training, but it will be difficult for you to understand, right? It is like that. So sir, yes, you should start with SD-WAN. Go with SD-WAN first, and after that you can go with firewall. SD-WAN, then firewall. CCNA, CCNP, SD-WAN, firewall. After that, automation AI, and then if you have time, you can go with the cloud. Every year in 2025, in 2026, in 2027, every year you should target the skill, that where I am going to update my skill. And I am also doing same thing. If you are thinking that Praful, you don't need to learn, so no brother, I am still learning. See this side, how many books are there, right? Still learning the other technologies, and I am very passionate about the technology. I love to learn technologies, right? Whenever any update is coming, I think in the India I am the first person who is curious to know the update. Sir, can we go from CCNP? I have knowledge and completed the training as well, but not in excellent level. Yes sir, you can go with NP. In the NP, you can also go directly in NP, right? You can skip the CCNA as well, but you have to work hard. You have to, sometimes if you are not able to understand any particular topic, you have to do research on that. You have to watch some videos, you have to read some article, you have to read book, you have to solve some questions from the basic, the CCNA part, and you can master the CCNP. The target is mastering the NP, not NA, right? To master the CCNP, NA skill is required. That's why I'm saying NANP. Otherwise, to learn SD-WAN or any modern technology, any advanced technologies, you should have the excellent level of knowledge in NP in core and NRC. Hi sir, how AI will impact to our job? Who told you that AI will impact our job? Sir, please answer. Virender Kumar, let me check. Yeah brother, I told you now. Sir, can we go from your video for expertise in CCNP? Yeah, definitely you can go through the video. You are already the member of channel. It means you are already learning, right? But if you are not able to understand, then you need live course, brother. Then you need to connect, or maybe you can go with the recording course as well. On the YouTube, you have to arrange everything based on syllabus. How you are learning on YouTube? What I am expecting, if you are the member, I am sharing it. What I am expecting you, how you are learning on YouTube, that you have syllabus of CCNP. Let's say you have taken the membership to learn the CCNP and modern technologies. It means I am expecting you have the syllabus, and based on syllabus, you are searching video based on topic, right, in the syllabus. Like, hey, topic for today is VPN. So VPN, PM networking in the YouTube. You are searching VPN, PM networking in the YouTube, and like this you are learning. Because on the YouTube, videos are not organized. So if you are learning in this way, that means you can master it. In the interview, I am not able to answer scenario. My theory knowledge is okay. I have studied. See, networking is just 20% theory, guys. 20% learning and 80% practice. I must tell you, networking is 20% learning and 80% practice. If you are doing the 80% learning and 20% practice, that means you are missing something, right? Networking is just 20% learning and 80% practice. And always check these 4 things. Why? Let's suppose I am learning the BGP. So why BGP is required in the production if we have so many other routing protocols, OSPF, EIGR, PISPI, ISIS? Why? Why should be very clear to you. Until and unless why is not clear, you will not get that interest to learn that topic. For an example, take example of any other skill, swimming. If you don't know the benefit of swimming, why you are learning the swimming, you will not get that much amount of interest while learning, right? If you know the why behind going gym every day, right? That if I am going gym every day, how it can solve so many health related issues. Means if your why is clear, you will go gym every day and you will work hard there. Similarly, if your why is clear here, right, for each and every topic, you will be curious to learn that, right? So first understand the real-time scenario, why with that protocol is needed, why it's required. Then check what it is. Then check what. That is my 4-step method. When I am learning any technology, I am also following this 4-step method only. And in my live class also, I am teaching the same 4-step method to my students. And this is the reason why my all paid students are getting exponential benefit in their professional career. I have trained more than 5,000 students across the globe till now. And I have just started, I had started my training career just 3.5 years ago. And today I have more than 20,000 paid students. More than 20,000 paid students. How it's possible? It's only possible if we are very strict on our service, if we are providing the genuine service, if people are getting benefit from the training. From my all existing students, they all are still connected with me through my WhatsApp, right? On the WhatsApp, there are a group for each and every batch, whatever batch I have completed till now. We are still checking, measuring the improvement after the training. And every time people are saying, my students are saying, sir, we are able to see a remarkable improvement in my technical skill before your training and after your training. Before your training, my technical skill was here. After the training, my technical skill is here. There is huge, remarkable improvement. And when I have implemented that learning in my professional career started growing. They all are getting benefit, right? Even here, 33 people are watching me live on YouTube. It might be possible few are my paid students who had completed training earlier, right? Who had taken CCNA course or NP course or combo course earlier from me. Maybe in 2001, 2022, 2023, 4 or 25. Not in 21. In 21, I was not providing live classes. In 21, I had just uploaded few videos on YouTube. I think 3 to 4 videos. Right? So in the class also, I am using the same 4-step method to help my students to understand the technology and to master it. So if you are going to use the same 4-step method, why and then what it is, after that how it is working, check working from all the angles, from all 365-degree angle, that what is the working, right? Don't skip anything. Everything is practical. If you are going to learn, it will be very interesting. And once you have these 3 things, why clear, what clear, and how clear from all the angles, then go with troubleshooting. Check the real-time issues related to that topic in the BGP. For an example, what kind of issues can occur in the network in the BGP. Just try to create those issues in your lab, in your network, and fix it. Learn the troubleshooting, master the troubleshooting. And once you have these 4 things clear, then you can say Now I am done with the BGP. Let's move to ISIS. It is like that. And you should learn any technology, any protocol, any topic like this only. Not only in the networking skill, in the another skill as well, guys. Why, what, how, T-suit. What if there is some problem? Right? And networking is not about learning the OSPF and BGP, like what is OSPF, what is BGP. It is all about knowing what to do when BGP is not behaving well, what to do when OSPF is not behaving well. That is your role in the industry, right? Your role in the industry is not what is OSPF and how OSPF work. Just you are learning what is, how it works, why, so that you can know what to do when it is not behaving well, when it is not working properly. When you enter in the server room, so many LEDs are blinking and you know the meaning of it, what it means. If the green LED, what it means, right? So that's why I'm saying networking is just 20% running, 80% practice. In the what also you need to practice, in why also, in how also, and in T-suit also. Practice, practice, practice. What think in ACI technology? In the ACI, VXLAN, LIPS, data center, spine leaf. So network security, cloud engineer, how we should prepare for future technologies like AI. Just start with CCNA, ccnp, SD-WAN. When you are learning the SD-WAN, indirectly you are learning the AI, brother. Right? You are learning the automation and AI. When you are learning the SDN based solution, indirectly you are learning the AI. Sir, I will always prefer your videos for learning and I want to enroll in your CCNA and NP batch, but the problem is the lab access. How we can practice the lab? For lab access, my team will set up lab in your laptop. You need laptop, brother, right? If you don't have laptop, then definitely it will be difficult for you to practice. And it is for everyone. If you are not clear with more than 90% topics in CCNA and CCNP syllabus, then my NANP live course can be life changing for you, right? It can change your life. Similarly, if you have the excellent level of knowledge in NANP, let's say you know the more than 90% topics, then my upcoming SD-WAN course can be life changing for you. Sometimes people are saying, messaging us on WhatsApp. Even you will find these kinds of comments on my YouTube videos. After your course, I got job in Palo Alto, I got job in that company, right? All big companies. So what is that? That is life-changing achievement. Sir, I am following you from when I started job in networking from your video only. Great, thank you, and you are member as well, Brinder Kumar. Sir, I have 7 years of experience in networking, but in interview people ask theory. Yes, so you should answer. So what happened if someone is asking you the theory? Sir, please share video of Azure cloud migration video. I have explained tomorrow in my current project. Okay, brother, noted. Join our PM group. Here is the WhatsApp number. See, someone from my team has shared the WhatsApp link. Sir, can everyone start his career in networking if his background is diploma? Guys, this is tech industry. Here your degree doesn't matter. Degree doesn't matter. Only your skill matter. Only your skills matter. Nothing else. Thank you, sir. Your guidance. Most welcome, sir. Here in the networking industry, only skills matter. If you have the skill, you can become a freelancer. There are so many people searching for help. You can work on a software. See, you can start a business with me. I will make a software for you where a real engineer, real network engineer can get help while troubleshooting the issue in the real-time network. This is the issue. I have observed it. I have observed, address this issue. There are so many people on the planet, worldwide, globally, who need support, who need someone who can guide, who can help them while fixing the issues in their job, in the real network. There is no any software like that. Everywhere you will find that kind of software where you can connect with the expert. But in the networking industry, not possible, not available. Even you will not find the freelancer, right? You can search network engineer freelancer, you will not find. Why? Limited number of skillful engineers are there. So if you have the skill, then your degree doesn't matter. You will have lots of option to work, right? Lots of door will open for you. You can become a trainer like me. You can start teaching people online, and so many people are there who is looking for one-to-one training. You can start providing one-to-one training. Later you can start teaching in group, right? You can become a freelancer. You can become a network engineer. You can start your own networking company. You can establish your own data center, right? So there are huge opportunity. From Hyderabad, Praveen. Thank you, Praveen, for joining from the Hyderabad. How can I get certificate on the Juniper network? You have to pass the exam, brother. Hi, thank you, sir. I will contact your team for the upcoming batch, and I have a laptop with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of SSD. This configuration is enough to run EVNG and GNS3. And what about the images? We will share the images, and the resources is sufficient. My team will share the resources, images with you, and even they will help you to set up it. Sir, how can join your live class from the CCNA? For CCNA, I think we don't have any upcoming batch now. You can contact us after 10 days or 15 days, right? Whenever we are launching a batch, we are planning a batch, we are updating it on social media. So whenever you will see the CCNA upcoming batch, you can reach to my team at that time, right? Right now we don't have, I think, upcoming CCNA batch. One batch is going on, which is weekend batch. I am taking that batch in the morning, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. But I have covered the basic module there. I am about to start the switching. Okay, guys. So at 8 p.m. the day 1 video of Fortigate firewall will come on the PM Networking YouTube channel. I have already created the playlist. So watch the video and please share your feedback in the comment section. I am expecting comment from you all. I am expecting your feedback from you all on the day 1 of Fortigate firewall, because based on your feedback only I am going to continue the course. The second thing is I am going to start my new and fresh SD-WAN batch from upcoming Saturday. So if you are interested or if you are looking for SD-WAN training, then this can be a golden opportunity for you. Don't lose it. Just talk to the team and enroll yourself. Again, this is live. Seats are limited. So enroll as soon as possible. Once you will enroll, you will get the lab access, you will get the materials, and from 2nd of August we'll meet live at 8 p.m. right? Before that, we'll settle everything like adding you in the WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group is already created. 6 to 7 students are already there. Thank you for all guidance. Thank you so much. Siddhesh, good evening, sir. How to achieve CCNP certificate? You have to pass the exam. Sandeep, yes sir, thank you. Hi. Fee for the SD-WAN is 20,000. 15,000 is for training. If you don't need lab access, then you don't need to pay 20,000. Just pay 15,000. But guys, I will recommend you to pay 20,000 and take lab from our side, so that whenever you will stuck somewhere, everything is technical, and you are going to onboard the devices, you are going to configure all the devices through CLI, through the template, then you are going to configure policies, you will implement QS, security policies. So you will stuck many time, and if you will stuck on my server, then we are here to help you, right? So better to purchase the SD-WAN course at 20,000 and practice the SD-WAN on our server. You will have 24/7 lab access, so you can practice anytime. Goodbye everyone. Saurabh Yadav, goodbye. Saurabh, firewall, Fortigate firewall, day one video is coming. You had requested, right? I remember. So watch the video and share your feedback in the comment section. How was the class? Sir, the upcoming Palo Alto is free of access. There is no any upcoming Palo Alto, brother. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Firewall fee, brother. Right now we don't have any plan for firewall, right? You can ask for the firewall course after 10 days, or you can keep checking it on my social media platform. Whenever we will launch the batch, we'll update you. For now, I am starting my SD-WAN course on upcoming Saturday, and then ccna and NP combo, and NP in core and NRC. When I'm saying combo, means I'm talking about 3 paper. In my CCNA plus CCNP combo course, I'm covering CCNA 200301, CCNP in core and NRC. When I'm saying NP, I'm talking about NP in core and NRC, right? So NANP combo, CCNP in core plus NRC, and CCNP to CCI data center. These 3 courses are starting from 15th of August, right? So we have only these plan now. 4 courses, 1 SD-WAN upcoming Saturday, and combo CCNP and data center 15th of August. That's all. Sure, sir. Thank you. What could be the simple explanation of feasible distance in EIGRP? Can anyone explain the feasible distance? FD, total distance between source and destination. Total metric between source and destination. Either you can say distance or metric. So okay guys, that's all for this live session. Again, we'll connect, and really I'm loving to talk to you guys through this kind of live session, right? Earlier I was not aware about this live session, like I can connect with the subscriber and we can talk like this. But in future, I am also trying to spare time for this kind of live session because it is so interactive, right? Really, I am loving it. So definitely we will have more session in future. That's all for now. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Just say bye once in the chat, and if you have not liked the video till now, please like the video. If you have not liked the video till now, please hit on like button and say bye in the chat. Bye bye. I am also typing. It's 7:30. My combo batch is about to start from 8 p.m. I'm going to join the another batch live class, right? So continuously from 1.5 hours I am speaking. I'm going to take rest for 30 minutes, and then at the 8 p.m. you will be receiving Fortigate firewall day 1 video. I will be taking my CCNA plus CCNP live class. I will finish my class at 10 p.m. and after that I will go and check your feedback. So I am expecting you all will be sharing your feedback in the comment section of day 1 Fortigate firewall series. Stay safe. Bye bye guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much for joining. I will check your feedback. Must watch day 1 video and share your feedback. Video will come at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. We are always wait when you come. Okay, Saurabh. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Good night. We can't really participate in live training session No problem, brother. When will be the live session? Swati, which live session? My SD-WAN live batch will start from upcoming Saturday. No, now I am going to take the previous batch, right? I had started the mentorship program, no? So that is this batch, right? Timing is 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Thank you for everything. Thank you so much, guys. NANP. NANP new batch will start from 15th of August. Swati, Jaswal, hope it is clear. The time difference is big issue for us in US. Sir, I can understand. Paid session, yes, that is paid. Fee is around 30,000. Okay, guys, now bye-bye. We'll connect again. Right, whenever I will have time, I will come live again and we'll talk. Bye-bye. Thank you so much everyone for joining.